The topic is Microsoft Word 2010. You may start Microsoft Word by locating the Microsoft Office shortcut folder and selecting the Microsoft Word shortcut. Note: the location of this shortcut will vary depending upon your chosen configuration and installation settings. Microsoft Word 2010 is a word processor created by Microsoft and is included in the Microsoft Office 2010 software suite. File menu will give you access to general options related to the Word file itself. The first time you open Word, the ribbon, which sits above the document and includes a set of buttons and commands that you use to do things in and with your document, like print it. A blank document which looks like a white sheet of paper and takes up most of the window. Ribbon menu system. The current versions of Microsoft Word use what is referred to as the ribbon menu system. The ribbon menu differs from the previous style menus in that the number of possible selections is far smaller and the menus are not drop-down menus. Rather, the menus are selectable menus that do not disappear once you move your mouse to another part of the screen. The File menu is the only remaining drop-down menu among the primary menus. Fix spelling and grammar mistakes. As you type, Word will warn if you make spelling or grammar mistakes by inserting a wavy red, green, or blue underline beneath the text that it thinks is an error. Format text. As you can see in the picture, there are several tabs across the top. Each represents an activity area. The second tab, the Home tab, should be selected. There are many ways to emphasize text, including bold, italic, and underline formatting. The Home menu contains general options such as font size, alignment, and copy-paste. The bulk of the time in the menu system will be spent in this menu. The font size and style controls are located within this ribbon as shown below. You may adjust these settings by using the relevant drop-down menus. Insert ribbon menu allows you to insert a variety of non-text objects into your document, like tables, pictures, and other. The page layout menus is where you will do the majority of your document formatting. The References menu allows you to easily cite and reference sources that you may use while creating a document. The menu View allows you to change how the document is viewed within Word. And the Zoom and Document View sections of this document are where you will spend the majority of the time in this menu. The Mailings ribbon menu contains a number of features related to documents that will be created for the purpose of being sent in the mail. The Review menu allows you to review your document for spelling and grammatical errors, insert comments, track and accept changes made to your document during the reviewing, and compare or combine two documents. Let's consider margins. To set margins, locate and select the Page Layout menu. Select the Margins button. A number of present margin settings will drop down in the menu. You can select one of those or select Custom Margins at the bottom of this menu to specify your own. A dialog box will appear. The basic margin settings are located at the top of this box. Next is Headers and Footers. Options for headers and footers will be located in the Insert ribbon menu in the header and footer section. To add a header or footer, press the header or footer button. A dialog box will appear which will allow you to specify the type of header that you would like to add. Page numbers. Page numbers are very commonly used header element. To add page numbers to your header or footer, first create and select a header or footer. After you have created a header or footer, locate and select page numbers button located in the header and footer portion of the Insert Ribbon menu. In the drop-down menus that appear, select the location which you want to place your page number. Bullets. To use bulleted lists, find and select the Home menu. Select the bullet button located in the paragraph section of this menu to start the list. To create the next bullet in the list, press Enter. Tables. To insert spreadsheet-like tables, first select the Insert menu, find the Select the Table button located in the Table section of this menu. In this menu that appears, use the table graphic to select the size of the desired table by clicking on the graphic in the appropriate location. Next, images. To insert an image into your document, first select the Insert menu, locate and press the Picture button in the Illustration section. In the dialog box that appears, browse to your photo you wish to insert and press the Insert button. Add some style. You can make most changes to text from the font group. But formatting text this way is handy when you want to change the format or just a few characters or words. The paragraph and styles groups on the Home tab. There are this one. Change margins. Page margins are the blank spaces around edges of the page. There is 1-inch page margin at the top, bottom, left and right sides of the page. This is the most common margin with which you might use the most of your document. But if you want different margins, you should know how to change them, which you can at any time. Save, print and close your document. At some point you may have a finely tuned sentence or several paragraphs of ideas, facts or figures that you would regret losing if your cat jumped on your keyboard or if a power failure shut your computer off. To keep your work, you have to save it, and it's never too early to do that. On the ribbon, you click the first tab, File tab. This opens a large window called the Backstage, a place where you can take care of a lot of things, such as saving document and printing it. In the left column, you click Save. A smaller window called a dialog box opens. You use this box to tell Word where you want to store the document on your computer and what you want to call it. After you save your document and you continue to type, you should save your work as you go. Need to print? When you're ready to print, click again in the File tab. In the left column, you click the Print command. A large window opens and you click the Print button. Of course, you'll need to have a printer hooked up to your computer. When you are through with the document and have saved your work, close the file. Click the File tab and then in the left column, click Close. That's all. Thank you for your attention.